Best air purifiers for home. Air purifiers have become essential for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, especially as concerns over allergens, dust, and pet dander continue to rise. From compact models designed for bedrooms to powerful units capable of refreshing large spaces, the right air purifier can dramatically improve air quality. In this guide, we evaluate the best air purifiers based on filtration performance, build quality, room coverage, and overall value to help you choose the perfect fit. Product number 1, Levoit Air Purifier. The Levoit Air Purifier is an excellent option for anyone dealing with allergies or pet hair. Compact yet powerful, it uses a high-efficiency HEPA filter to trap dust, pollen, smoke, and dander, ensuring cleaner air in bedrooms or small living areas. Its ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for overnight use without disturbing sleep. The sleek, modern design blends seamlessly with any room decor, while the intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings. Unlike ozone-based purifiers, Levoit focuses on safe filtration, making it family and pet-friendly. With multiple fan speeds and a nightlight option, it balances performance and comfort. Users will appreciate its affordability and reliability, making it a go-to solution for everyday air purification. Perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners, this unit ensures fresher, healthier air at home. Product number 2, Arove Air Purifiers. Designed with modern households in mind, the Arove Air Purifier offers a practical mix of efficiency and quiet operation. Equipped with a high-performance HEPA filter, it effectively removes airborne particles like pollen, dust, and smoke, improving overall air quality. One of its standout features is the Whisper Quiet Sleep mode, which keeps noise levels low while maintaining circulation overnight. Compact in size, it fits neatly into bedrooms, offices, or nurseries without taking up much space. The purifier also incorporates an aroma pad, allowing you to add essential oils for a refreshing and personalized environment. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to operate, while its energy-efficient build ensures it won't significantly impact electricity bills. For families seeking an affordable, space-saving, and versatile purifier, Arove provides an excellent balance of features at a budget-friendly price. Product number 3, PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier. If you need coverage for bigger spaces, the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier is a strong contender. Designed to handle large rooms up to 1,115 square feet, it uses a medical-grade HEPA 14 filter, capable of capturing particles as small as zero.1 microns. This makes it particularly effective for removing dust, mold spores, pet dander, and smoke, ensuring comprehensive protection for households. The PuroAir 240 also comes with intelligent air quality monitoring, automatically adjusting fan speeds based on current conditions. Its sleek, tower-like design is both modern and space-efficient, making it a stylish addition to any home. Energy-efficient operation keeps it cost-effective even with continuous use. Easy filter replacement further enhances convenience. With its impressive purification power and smart features, the PuroAir 240 is ideal for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to maintain fresh air across larger living areas. Product number 4, Levoit Air Purifiers. Levoit's large room air purifier is built for households needing strong air circulation across expansive spaces. Featuring a true HEPA H13 filter, it efficiently removes 99.97% of airborne particles, including allergens, pet hair, and smoke. With a CADR, clean air delivery rate, that supports coverage up to 1,590 square feet, it's particularly suitable for open living rooms, basements, or office spaces. Intelligent features such as automatic mode, real-time air quality display, and customizable fan speeds add to its convenience. Despite its robust performance, the unit maintains quiet operation, making it adaptable for both daytime and nighttime use. The minimalist design ensures it complements modern interiors while being easy to position in any room. With reliable filtration and smart controls, this levoit model stands out as a premium yet accessible option for large households or allergy-sensitive environments. Product number 5. Muka PR1 HEPA Air Purifiers. For those looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly solution, this air purifiers for home large room option provides solid performance without unnecessary frills. It features a HEPA filter system that captures dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander, making it versatile enough for households with pets, smokers, or allergy sufferers. Designed for medium to large spaces, it ensures efficient circulation to keep air fresh and breathable. The device typically includes multiple fan speeds, a timer function, and quiet sleep mode to adapt to different needs throughout the day. Easy-to-use controls make operations simple for any user, while its compact, modern design ensures it won't dominate room aesthetics. While it may lack advanced features like app connectivity or air quality sensors, its affordability and reliability make it a dependable choice for maintaining cleaner air in larger rooms without overspending.